Hello friends, it is recommended to watch previous video for more clarification. Now in this lecture we are going to focus on DAX, and the agenda of this video we are going to learn what is DAX, why we are using DAX in our Power BI, various uses of DAX in our Power BI and other tools, components of DAX Expression, and the last one is DAX Syntax, how we are writing our formulas with the help of DAX. Keep watching this video. What is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It is a formula language and query language used for data manipulation and calculation. Data manipulation and calculation. Okay. DAX is designed to work with relational data and allows users to create custom calculations, measures, and aggregation in their data module. These measures and calculation, how we are performing, we'll check in upcoming videos. DAX is similar in some ways to Excel formulas, but it is optimized for working with large dataset. It supports a wide range of functions for tasks such as filtering, aggregation, and performing calculation on columns and tables. Some common use case of DAX include creating key performance indicator (KPIs). It is not a new concept in our Power BI. Actually, it is the older concept and reintroduced in Power BI and SQL Server analysis services. Why we are using DAX in our Power BI? The reason are as below. It is easy to learn, similar like Excel formulas. If you work with the Excel formulas, then it is very easy to learn DAX. Scalability can perform operation on large data set. Yes, in the Excel some limitations are there with the data sets, but here we can work with a large number of data set. Flexibility, ability to perform custom calculation and create complex formulas. Integration, work with Power BI, SQL, SSAS, Excel. Advanced calculation, ability to perform complex calculation. So these are the main 5 reasons which force us to use DAX in our Microsoft Power BI. Various uses of DAX. Till now we know that DAX we are using to make the calculations. Okay, so all the things are going towards the calculation. It may be with the help of columns, with the help of tables, or any other things in our Power BI. So we have 3 main calculation what we are going to perform in our Power BI with the help of DAX. Calculated columns. Create a column with the help of other column. We are going to check this practically when we will work with our tool Microsoft Power BI desktop. Okay, we are going to create a calculated table, create a new table from 2 or more existing tables, and measures, create KPI for total sales, average age, customer count, etc. So these are the main 3 things what we are going to perform, calculate in our Microsoft Power BI with the help of DAX. Component of DAX. There are total 5 components of DAX. Function. First one is the function. Predefined formulas for calculation and aggregation, used to manipulate data type and perform logical and conditional operations. The second one is operators. Operators, as you guys knows very well, plus, minus, star, divide, multiply kind of things are operators which we are using in our Power BI while using DAX command or syntax in our application automatically, or concatenation operation kind of thing. Values and references include literal values like numbers, string, and boolean values. Include like references of column, measures, and other expressions. Data type. It is a component, DAX component, and in DAX we have several numbers of data type like boolean, text, uh, numerical kind of things, used to appropriate data type to accurate calculation. It means we are going to convert our data into a appropriate data type to get accurate calculation. Okay, and the last one is context. Expression context decides scope of the calculation. Context can be a row or a filter, or can get affected by another rows or and filters. Okay, these are the five components of DAX. DAX syntax. So here I have written down the DAX syntax. This first one is our new column name, what we are going to create with the help of these functions, these formulas. Okay, this is the name of calculated column or measure. Okay, count is a predefined function. Okay, there are so many predefined functions like count, max, mini, sum, average kind of things. Okay, numbers of formulas there which we can use in our DAX. And then dim customer is our table name in which we have a column customer ID, and we are going to count this customer ID to get total customer. So this is the syntax what we are using in our DAX. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch the previous videos for more clarification.